Inert pair effect is another important property of the p block elements. We have learnt in your previous classes about alkali and alkaline earth metals which have an oxidation state of +1 and +2 corresponding to the total number of electrons present in them. The same way, the elements of p block element also show the oxidation states corresponding to the maximum number of valence electrons that are present in the shells, distinguishing cells. In addition, they also show variable oxidation state. In case of heavier post-transition elements belonging to the groups 13 to 16, the most stable oxidation state is 2 less than the group oxidation state, and there is a reluctance to exhibit the group oxidation state. Now we will consider element group 13 elements. As we move from boron to heavier elements, there is an increasing tendency to have +1 oxidation state rather than the group oxidation state +3. For example, Al3+ is more stable than Al+1, while Tl+1 is more stable than Tl+3, which is in reluctance to the observed periodic oxidation states. In heavier post-transition metals, the outer s electrons have a tendency to remain inert and show reluctance to take part in the bonding, which is called as inert pair effect. The same effect is also observed in 14, 15 and 16 group. 18th group is a different one as it has a completely filled orbital. The next property that distinguishes p block elements from other groups or other block elements are allotropism. Some elements exist in more than one crystalline or molecular form in the same physical state. For example, carbon exists as graphite, diamond, etc. This phenomenon is called as allotropism. The same element existing in more than one crystalline or molecular form in the same physical state is called as allotropism. The various allotropes of carbon are boron, amorphous boron, alpha rhombohedral boron, beta rhombohedral boron, gamma orthorhombic boron, etc. Carbon, diamond, graphite, graphene, fullerenes and carbon nanotubes. Silicon, amorphous silicon and crystalline silicon. Germanium, alpha germanium and beta germanium. Tin, grey, white, rhombic and sigma tin. Phosphorus, white phosphorus, red phosphorus, scarlet phosphorus, violet phosphorus and black phosphorus. Arsenic, yellow arsenic, grey and black. Antimony, blue, white antimony, yellow antimony and black antimony. Oxygen, it is dioxygen and ozone. Sulfur exists as rhombus sulfur, monoclinic sulfur and plastic sulfur. Selenium exists as red, grey, black and monoclinic. Tellurium, amorphous and crystalline. These are the some common allotropes of p block elements. Group 13, boron group. Occurrence of boron group elements. Boron occurs mostly as borates and it is important ores are borox, which is Na2B4O5OH 4 times and is associated with 8 water particles, and kernite Na2B4O5OH 4 times dot 2H2O. Aluminium is the most abundant metal and occurs as oxides and also found in aluminosilicate rocks. Commercially, it is extracted from its chief ore bauxite, which is Al2O3.2H2O. The other elements occur only in trace amounts, very smaller amounts. The other elements, gallium, indium, thallium, occur as sulfides. Chemical properties, before that, physical properties of boron group elements. Boron is a solid, aluminium is a solid, gallium is also a solid, indium a solid, thallium a solid. And there are few isotopes. Boron exists as 11, aluminium 27, gallium 69, indium 115, thallium 205. The chemical properties of boron. Boron is the only non-metal in this group and is very less reactive. However, it shows reactivity at higher temperatures. Many of its compounds are electron deficient and has a usual tendency to form covalent bonding, which is due to its small size, high ionization enthalpy and similarity in electronegativity with carbon and hydrogen. Formation of metal borides. Many metals except alkali metals form borides with the general formula Mx By. X can range up to 11 and Y can go up to 66 or even higher than 66. Formation of metal borides. Direct combination of metals with boron. Chromium can directly react with n number of boron to form CrBn at 1500 only at elevated temperatures. Reduction of boron trihalides. BCl3 plus W, we know W is tungsten. At 1500 Kelvin it forms Wb plus Cl2 plus HCl. Formation of hydrides. Boron do not react directly with hydrogen, but it forms a variety of hydrides called boranes. The simplest diborane is B2H6. Other larger boranes are also prepared from diborane. Treatment of gaseous boron trifluoride with sodium hydride around 450 Kelvin gives diborane. To prevent subsequent pyrolysis, the product diborane is trapped immediately, that is BF3 plus 6NaH at 450 Kelvin gives B2H6 plus 6NaF. Formation of boron trihalides. Boron combines with halogen to form boron trihalides at higher temperatures, that is B plus X2 gives BX3. Formation of boron nitride. B plus N2 gives Bn. Formation of oxides. When boron is heated with oxygen at around 900 Kelvin, it forms its oxide. Reaction with acids and alkali. Haloacids have no reaction with boron like HCl, HF, etc. But however, boron reacts with oxidizing agents such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid and forms boric acid. B plus H2SO4 gives H3BO3, which is boric acid. B plus HNO3 gives B3H3BO3 plus NO2. Also with alkalis, like fused sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium borate, Na3BO3 plus H2. Uses of boron. Boron has a capacity to absorb neutrons. Neutrons moderators anala use பண்றாங்க. It has a capacity to absorb fast moving neutrons. Moderator is a one which can absorb the neutrons, and hence its isotope B510 is used as a moderator in nuclear reactors. Amorphous boron is used as a rocket fuel igniter, starting up a fuel ignition. Amorphous boron. Amorphous means powder boron. Boron is essential for the cell walls of plants, for the formation of cell wall. Compounds of boron have many applications. For example, it is used in eye drops, antiseptics, washing powders, etc., which contains boric acid and borax. In the manufacture of Pyrex glass, a kind of glass, boric oxide is used. Next, borax. Preparation of borax. The formula for borax is Na2B4O7.10H2O. The preparation involves borax is a sodium salt of tetraboric acid. It is obtained from colemanite ore by boiling its solution with sodium carbonate. So Ca2B6O11 plus NaCO3 plus H2O gives Na2B4O7 CaCO3 plus CaOH twice. Borax is normally formulated as Na2B4O7.10H2O, but it contains tetranuclear units like B4O5 OH4 times 2 minus. This is known as prismatic form. Borax can also exist in other forms like Dweller or octahedral borax, which is Na2B4O7.5H2O, and borax glass Na2B4O7.